is but a child screaming over all your words. No one hears your pain, they're way too busy for concern. And the days become weeks, and the months turn into years. You gotta know by now that only God sees all those tears. Oh, when you cry, or desire to retaliate. There must be someone we can blame. But it's hard to put the anger down and hear from God out of sound and find a place to heal the unforgiveness. When you break and you yell and there's no it hurts, it doesn't mean that you're not hurt. Because aloud in heaven, the angels cry with you.
Cause it's the fire in your eyes and mouth, so give me that muscle.